Hi, I'm Victor, the development lead here at Cobry, and welcome to the Work From Home G Suite mini-series, the series in which we showcase the tools that you can use to work more effectively remotely. All of us at Cobry are working from home, and we feel that some of the ways we use G Suite help us to do so. In this episode, I'll explain what Google Jamboard is all about. A lot of people don't know this, but G Suite ships with a built-in collaborative whiteboard app. It's a common misconception that you need a physical Jamboard to use the app itself. See, I don't have a physical Jamboard in my room, but I'll still be reaping the rewards of the app. Let me show you how you can do so too.
So to get to the Jamboard app, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the app launcher here. I'm on the demo account, and if we scroll down just a little bit, it's quite hidden, and there's the Jamboard button right there. So we give it a little click, it's going to take us to the Jamboard home screen, and these are my jam files right here. These are a bunch of jams we've got going on right there. And if I want to create a new one, I'm going to click this little plus, and we're brought to the Jamboard selector screen. So here in the home screen, we can start jamming away. I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to name it Favorite Vegetable. And we can start jamming. So right now, it's only me that has access to this jam. If I want to share this to one of my colleagues, for example, Raresh, who is in Romania working from home right now, I can click the share button in the top right hand of the screen, and I'm going to be presented with a share menu. Okay, so now that the share menu has loaded up, we can see that this is only private to me. However, I can invite someone. So I want to invite Raresh, who I want to collaborate with on discussing our favorite vegetable. And if I have a device such as like an iPad I've got sitting over here, I can be anywhere here. I can be on the train or whatever, maybe not in these current situations, but if I log in and bring up the Jamboard app, I'm able to see my Jamboard right here. And I can use my pen, I can scribble on it, etc, etc. The Jamboard app is great for interactively and collaboratively spilling out ideas on a whiteboard screen. I can draw, I can erase, I can add in post-it notes. So this is great for Kanban style situations. If you've got a development team, you don't want to be wasting paper and post-it notes and chucking them on the whiteboard, taking pictures and then sending them away. You can do this all on here. You can also add photos from the Google image library. They're all copyright free, so you're not going to get them for that. And you've also got a pointer for when a lot of people are looking on the same jam and you want to point something out, you can draw a little circle around it. And if you've got a device such as an iPad or any sort of mobile device, you can also access these jams from here. So here's the jam I prepared earlier.
And the great thing about it is that it's absolutely seamless. I can see Raresh annotating his potatoes, and he can see me annotating my green beans all in real time. This is why Jamboard is such a great app for meetings, conferences, and just being able to convey information remotely.
Now this app works great in tandem with Hangouts Meet, in which case you can be on a call with someone and be presenting ideas on the same time. You can use the present video feature, but Brian will get into that in the video later on in the week in this little mini-series. So that's the general gist of what Jamboard is. You're able to present ideas visually on a screen collaboratively with other people. At the same time, you can present your ideas and you can write post-it notes and many other things that Jamboard offers. And you don't even need a Jamboard to do so. So this helps tie in the whole principle of G Suite providing a complete communication system for teams. And that's what helps G Suite help you work remotely. So it's great that you've made it to the end, and I hope you tune in for the next episode.